Success is not something that we actually pursue. Success is something that we attract depending on the kind of attitude that we have about success. Hello and happy living. It's great to have you here with me on I Am Possible, our Success Mindset Engineering. क्या सोचते हैं आप अपनी सक्सेस के बारे में? डू यू ट्रूली बिलीव दैट यू डिजर्व टू बी सक्सेसफुल? या एक ड्रीम है, एक ख्वाब है, एक डिजायर है? The world that we live in puts enormous pressure on us to be successful. We grow up believing that we have to be successful. Not good, not better, not best, but successful. It becomes a pressure. It becomes a desire, एक चाहत, rather than a natural progression, rather than an outcome of something that we passionately feel for or are interested in or excel in. And this is one of the reasons why हमारे न्यू ईयर के जो रेजोल्यूशन होते हैं they don't come true. ये goals और resolutions they are driven by our desires rather than our passions or dreams or of the kind of life that we truly believe in. Second, and unfortunately a rather common reason is that we more often than not don't really believe that we are worthy of attaining our success. We don't deserve it. So we end up self-sabotaging ourselves. Sounds weird, na? कि हम अपनी वाट खुद ही लगा लेते हैं. Good news is कि हम ये जानबूझ के नहीं करते. Bad news is that we do it more often than not due to our deep-rooted beliefs. Beliefs like पैसा ही पैसे को अट्रैक्ट करता है. Only smart people succeed. I am not very smart. सक्सेसफुल होने के लिए एजुकेशन, अच्छे एजुकेशन की ज़रूरत होती है. सक्सेसफुल होने के लिए बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. सक्सेसफुल पीपल आर वेरी स्नूटी, घमंडी होते हैं. सुनी है ना ये सारी बातें? सोची भी होंगी शायद कभी. सक्सेसफुल होने के लिए वी नीड टू बिलीव आई एम केपेबल ऑफ फिनिशिंग व्हाट आई स्टार्ट. आई हैव द पोटेंशियल and the talent to make my dreams come true. Success is my right. I create my life. I deserve all the goodness in this world. Of course, we have to work hard to achieve that. हाथ पर हाथ रखने से कुछ नहीं होता है. क्योंकि क्या कहा था मैंने? Success comes to us because of the person that we are. It is attracted to us because of our attitude towards life. So what will it be? Are you deserving of the success that you dream? Do you believe that you have it in you? Do you believe I am possible? Till we meet again next Tuesday, pay attention to your conversations with the most important person in this world. Us, you. Hear what you say to yourself. Be kind to yourself. Be respectful to yourself. Believe that you're deserving. Happy living to you.